That was a great game, Jonah. You had the walk of hit.
Yeah, thanks. But they really beat themselves with all the fielding errors they made.
That's so true. Their first baseman sucks. He shouldn't be playing at all. If I were him, I'd take myself out.
The thing is that he's their best hitter.
Anyway, guys, I need to talk about something else. You've known me since daycare. Do you think I can be a good teacher?
I was very surprised when Gabriela told me, but I think you have got the personality for it.
That's true. You like meeting people and making them feel welcome. But teaching requires other things, doesn't it?
That's what my dad says. He says that if I decide to do that, I'll have to change many things in my life. And he doesn't mean just changing from ciencias to humanidades.
And what does your mother say?
She's so happy I've decided to do something that she doesn't care what it is. So, I'm changing. What about you, Caro?
I too have been giving a lot of thoughts. I think I'm changing too. John's idea is a really good one, and my parents are delighted. Actually, I think they are relieved, and if I change to ciencias, it will be able to combine two things that attract me so much. Who knows, maybe I've grown up a bit.
But not Jonah. All he ever thinks of is in tigers. You know, the ones in Maracay and Detroit.
You're right, but listening to you being so serious and grown up, it's catching. Maybe I should do the same. See you in class tomorrow. Thanks for coming to watch.
Hi, I'm back. I'm so happy to hear that both Pedro and Carolina seem to be taking more sensible decisions. If they don't do it now, I'm sure they'll regret it in the future. Anyway, that's only my opinion. Today, I want for you to review not only the vocabulary that the three used in their chat, but the one I'm using now. Do you think you really understand what some of the expressions mean in this context? For example, I know it's not fair to some of you, but what is a walk-off hit? I'll let you figure that one out. All right, so Carolina decided to accept their idea, and she sounds to be very excited about it, and let's see what happens there. In terms of Pedro, well, he did decide to switch over to Humanidades, and I think everybody is very happy, and maybe even his parents as well.
To be or not to be? That is the question. No me sé más, pero eso como que es mi problema. To be or not to be? That is the question.
Whether 'tis nobler in the mind to suffer the slings and arrows of outrageous fortune, or to take arms against a sea of troubles and by opposing end them. Yes, Jonathan, that is your question. So, what have you thought?
Well, I have been doing a lot of thinking, and all I say to myself is, baseball, baseball.
I know what you mean. I had the same fixation with football when I was your age. I couldn't think of anything else.
So what happened?
Well, I tried out for the school team, but the others were much, much better than me. And I ended up being bored sitting on the bench all year long.
Oops, that won't happen to me.
Why not? Are you the next Messi of baseball, or are you indestructible?
Yes, I am, and I'm kidding, John. You know that the real answer to both is not. I'm not.
But is there anything else that attracts you? You seem to have a flair for acting, for example. Have you done any before? And what about becoming another kind of athlete, just in case? Are you a fast runner?
Wow, that's a lot of questions. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is there anything else that attracts me? No, there isn't. Have I done any acting before? Yes, I have. My mother tells me I played Christ the Child when I was 6 months old. Am I a fast runner? Yes, I am. In fact, I'm the fastest runner in the school.
I think you're not quite ready to talk about this. You're too obsessed with your baseball dream.
It's not a dream, John. You'll see.
I hope not. All right, so I don't know. Jonathan, that's all he wants to do in his life. And John really didn't make any progress. And John, I think, is a little bit worried about Jonathan's plan for the rest of his life. Well, let's see.
Hello, everybody. It's me, the next Miguel Cabrera. Just wait 2 years. I'll be the youngest Venezuelan player in the big leagues. And I'll also be a Rookie of the Year like Miguel. But, once I heard him in an interview saying that the hardest thing for him had been learning English. So, I don't want to make the same mistake. Don't worry, I'm not going to hit you with anything complicated like Pedro and Graciela have done before.
I'll see you in next class, okay?